In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Clients tab. Clients tab gives you insight into each one of your clients and all of the projects you're bidding, contracted, or lost. You're also able to see all the contacts, add client notes, and click into each field. To get started, you click on the Clients tab. The Clients tab will then pull up with all of the client information, contacts, jobs, current pipeline, closing ratio, and company comments. You can also search to find the client you're looking for. In the contacts area is where you're able to see the next client follow-up that's going to happen. You can edit the follow-up or person by clicking anywhere on the row that you want to edit. You can select the next follow-up date, change the time, and assign it to a certain user. And click Update to save that information. If the contact is not currently listed under the company, you can add a new contact by clicking the plus icon. You add the contact's information, and then you click Create. Also, if you have Office 365 or Gmail integrated, there's another video for email integration if you're looking to do that. Then you can also add a contact by clicking the person icon next to the name box here. Your Outlook or Gmail contacts will only show up here if you've saved them as a contact in Outlook or Gmail. You can't add people that you have only just emailed. So you have to save them as a contact before they're going to appear in this section. You just click the plus and then they show up here, and you can add your follow-up date and assign a user as well. You also have access to all of the projects and leads under recent files that go with this client. And you can add them here, or you can just view the ones that are currently there. You also have full visibility of your current pipeline with the client along with your historical closing ratio. And lastly, you're able to add company notes for this client. So you can click on the notes that are currently there, or you can click the plus button and then add any notes that you want to see when you look at the client. And there you go.